So this is probably the best kept secret I've got so far, and not because I'm trying to withhold any information, I just hadn't thought about it. So if you need like a 12-volt battery charger, but you want something that's going to also keep those batteries conditioned, and this one has a built-in desulfator or desulfication, whatever that process is called. It's supposed to knock the sulfur off the plates and help condition the battery or keep the battery life at its optimal peak performance. Anyway, if you've got like an ATV or like a small motorcycle battery, that's where this puppy really comes in handy. Before that, I was replacing a motorcycle battery every single year. After I got this one, I think I managed to make 8 years out of the same battery, something like that. And all I did is, before I put the bike away in fall, I'd throw this thing on there till I got the green lights up to 100%. And then in spring, maybe about a month before I wanted to take my bike out for a ride, I just plugged it on there and just left it on there for the month until the weather got nice, and then used the bike. Now, I have tried other chargers, and in the place of this one, I tried an automotive charger on that same motorcycle battery, and it worked for a little bit, but the bike battery wouldn't hold the charge until I put this thing on there. So I think it's a great way of reviving a dead battery. Now, the downside to doing that is this thing won't start charging till like 7 or 8 volts, somewhere in that range. So you're going to have to give it some kind of a jump start to get it going. So what this thing is great for is taking a battery that's kind of losing some of its life or some of its oomph, and you might be able to hear it when you crank your car engine, for example, and it sounds like it's a little lethargic. That's where this thing comes in handy. It's going to extend the life of your battery. At least it has for me. I've also had dead batteries, completely dead batteries, that wouldn't start a vehicle at all. And after about a week on this charger, it's not fast. It takes a while to get the battery life back up. But after about a week on that charger, that thing was working again, ended up working for another 2, I think, winters or 2 years. So instead of replacing the battery, I got another 2 years out of it. And if it's going to do that consistently, or if I can keep the life of my batteries up to give me a couple more years, I mean, why not have a charger like that? As far as operation goes, it's just super easy. You get your power cord, you plug this thing in. It's actually running right now. I'm charging 2 batteries. And you've got your positive and negative lead that you just clamp onto your battery, and away you go. Now, I recommend that you connect the battery terminals first and then plug the charger in, just to make sure that you don't get any kind of spark or anything like that going on. Always just follow the manufacturer's instructions. Now, they don't make this exact charger anymore, so I will leave a link to the comparable one that I would pick up. I think there's like 60 or 70 bucks. They're on sale actually right now, 30% off or whatever it is. I was just checking into them yesterday because I think I wanted a second one for the garage, one for the house for my battery backup system. Anyway, the plus side to that is the newer version has the same features as this guy, but it also is a higher amp charger, which is a plus because, like I said, this one here, to rejuvenate a dead battery or to get this thing back going, it takes, I would say at the minimum 4 days, but I'd like to leave it on there for at least a week. And you can't really do that, especially if it's your daily commuter, right? So having a higher amp might help. Maybe there's some things that just can't be rushed and you need that extra time. That could also be the case. Now, a couple of things that are nice with this as well is you do have a quick disconnect for the power terminal. The same company that makes this thing also makes like a 4-way splitter if you get the charger, and maybe you've got, I don't know, golf cart batteries or something that you just want to sit in the garage for a while, bring them back up. So that's a plus. And disconnect this thing here quickly. I won't follow my own instructions even by putting it back on. It does have a fusible link as well. I don't know if it has reverse polarity connection. You know what? Let's just see what happens. Oh, there you go. It just beeps and all the lights light up and flash at you. So it does have a reverse polarity checking as well. Another nice feature about this is you'll see it's got like a test LED. So every couple of minutes it runs that test LED just to kind of see where the battery's at. Now, it might tell you that the battery is toast if you're reviving something that's completely dead, even after you've jump started it, which you will have to do to get it going, it might tell you that the battery is shot. Give it a second, like just unplug it, plug it back in, and give it a second attempt. That has worked for me for a couple of batteries. Of all the batteries I have tried this thing on, which has been, I don't know, probably 7 or 8 already different lead acid batteries, there's only been one where it was just shot, and it had lasted a number of years, but this charger could not get it back. It was too late for that battery. Other than that, it brought back dead batteries that I thought were going to be toast. And I think the biggest advantage for that charger, if you have a small ATV, those little square batteries, you got to have one of those. I was so happy I couldn't believe it that every year after year, once I picked that thing up, my motorcycle battery kept working, because I was so used to just buying a new one every single year. And I got 8 years. And actually, I sold the motorcycle with that same battery. It was still going. So it's not like it was done after 8 years. But I got 8 years out of it just by using that charger maintainer. This video is not sponsored. It might seem like it is because it's a glowing review. It definitely is not. I heard about this thing somewhere on online forums, and people were just praising it like crazy. I figured I'd give it a shot, and I'm also now one of those people that's praising it like crazy too. They are also used by the military, so clearly they've got something going on if the military or the Department of Defense is choosing that model or that make or that brand as well. The link that's going to be down below isn't even an affiliate link. Nothing. I have nothing to gain by this. Just my honest review. I love this thing. It's saved me some batteries. If you want to see how I use that charger to take a completely stone dead battery and bring it back to life, I will leave a link to that video on the side here, and I'll put that one on the channel when it's done.